Hello everyone, today I will be presenting my invention called the rain detector system. Let's go! This device aims to address a common problem such as unexpected rainfall that can damage clothes hung outside, flood small areas, or disrupt outdoor activities. Rain detection is important because raindrop completes an electrical circuit when they touch conductive surfaces, allowing us to convert rainfall into a signal. With simple science and electronics, we can create an early warning tool that improves safety and convenience. The system works by using a rain sensor plate, connecting wires, a small battery, a buzzer, and LED light. When raindrops land on the sensor plate, the water conducts electricity and closes the circuit. This sends a signal to the buzzer and LED light, which immediately turns on to alert the user that it has started to rain. This device uses specific principles such as electrical conductivity of water, basic circuits, and signal activation. The system is simple, low cost, and easy to assemble. This rain detector has many benefits. It can help households protect laundry, electronics, and outdoor materials. Communities can use it in school gardens, small farms, or emergency preparedness programs to monitor rainfall. The device also supports disaster risk reduction by providing an early signal during sudden weather changes. In conclusion, the rain detector system shows how simple scientific concepts can be transformed into practical and meaningful innovation. By using basic principles of electrical conductivity and circuit response, we were able to create a device that delivers immediate alerts during rainfall. This small prototype shows how accessible of technology can help individuals protect their belongings, assist communities in monitoring weather conditions, and support disaster preparedness efforts. Beyond its current design, the rain detector also opens opportunities for future enhancements, such as adding wireless notifications, solar-powered operation, or integration with smart home systems. Overall, this innovation proves that even simple tools can make daily life safer, more convenient, and more resilient against sudden weather changes.